Hi Evergreen, let's do chapter 6, lesson 9, the quadratic formula again. So let's remember how to read the quadratic formula. X equals the opposite of b plus or minus the square root of the quantity b squared minus 4ac all divided by 2a. Dun, 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 dun. The x is equal to negative b plus or minus the square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. You should know that song by now. But if you don't, listen to it again today and memorize this formula. Number 1, 3x squared plus 14x plus 15 equals 0. Is this in the right format? Yes, because it equals 0. And we have a and a B and a C term. Let's put it into our formula. X is equal to negative 14 plus the square root of 14 squared minus 4 times 3 times 15, enter, divided by 2 times 3 equals negative 1.67. Let's repeat, now subtracting. Negative 14 minus the square root of 14 squared minus 4 times 3 times 15, enter, divided by 6 equals negative 3. Our set of solutions are listed, negative 1.67 and negative 3. This should be getting easier. Number 3, 7x squared minus 20x plus 9. Our b is negative 20, so let's put it into our formula. X is equal to negative 20 plus the square root of negative 20 squared minus 4 times 7 times 9, enter, divided by 14 equals 2.30. Let's do it again, subtracting. Negative 20 minus the square root of negative 20 squared minus 4 times 7 times 9, enter, divided by 14. X equals 56 hundredths. These are our two solutions. Make sure you put them in a bracket. Your set of solutions are, and put a comma in between them. Number 5, 9x squared plus 5x minus 8 equals 0. X equals negative 5 plus the square root of 5 squared minus 4 times 9 times negative 8, enter, divided by 18 equals 71 hundredths. Let's do it again and subtract. Negative 5 minus the square root of 5 squared minus 4 times 9 times negative 8, enter, divided by 18 equals negative 1.26. These are our two solutions. Okay, number 7. Negative 5x minus 18x plus 79 equals 0. Plug it into our formula. Negative 18 plus the square root of negative 18 squared minus 4 times negative 5 times 79, enter, divided by negative 10 equals negative 6.16. Let's repeat with subtracting. Negative 18 minus the square root of negative 18 squared minus 4 times negative 5 times 79, enter, divided by negative 10 equals 2.56. These are our two solutions. Number 9, 5x squared minus 13x plus 12 equals 0. X is equal to negative 13 plus the square root of negative 13 squared minus 4 times 5 times 12, enter, divided by 10, equals. Now, this one you should get an error when you hit enter. And the reason why is 13 squared is 169, and 4 times 5 times 12 is 240. This would be a negative number. You cannot find the square root of a negative number. And so therefore, this has no solution. This is an empty set. Number 11, 6x squared minus 17x minus 3 equals 0. Plug it into our formula. Negative 17 plus the square root of negative 17 squared minus 4 times 6 times negative 3. Enter. Divided by 12 equals 3. Ooh, that's a nice even number. And let's do it again, subtracting. Negative negative 17 minus the square root of negative 17 squared minus 4 times 6 times negative 3. Enter. Divided by 12 equals negative 17 hundredths. These are your two solutions. Okay, number 21. These ones are a little different because they're missing one of the terms. Either your A, your B, or your C. Do you see which one this is missing? Our A is always an x squared number. We have that one. Our B is an x. Oh, we have no x. And so we're going to rewrite this and we're going to write 0x. And we're going to write the rest of it exactly the way it is. So your new equation that you need to write down is 5x squared plus 0x minus 9 equals 0. These are going to be your A, B, and C terms to plug into your formula. So it's going to look strange, but go ahead and do it. And remember, even if it looks weird, you just keep doing it. Don't let strange, unusual things in math make you stop doing what you need to do. Keep doing the steps you've learned to do. So this one's going to be negative 0 plus the square root of 0 squared minus 4 times 5 times negative 9. Enter. Divided by 10. And you get a number, 1.34. And this is correct. Let's do it again and subtract. Negative 0 minus the square root of 0 squared minus 4 times 5 times negative 9. Enter. Divided by 10. And you get negative 1.34. These are your two solutions. Okay, 23. Which one is it missing? See if you can spy it. Your A, B, or C term. You're missing your B term. Rewrite your equation with a 0B term. So you should rewrite 6x squared plus 0x plus 7. Plug these numbers into your formula. Negative 0 plus the square root of 0 squared minus 4 times 6 times 7. Enter. Divided by 12. X equals 1.73. Do it again and subtract. Negative 0 minus the square root of 0 squared minus 4 times 6 times 7. Enter. Divided by 12. And you get negative 1.73. These are your two solutions. Okay, number 25. See what they're missing now. Do you spy it? They're missing their C term. So we are going to rewrite this with a plus 0C. So we have 3x squared plus 5x plus 0 equals 0. Plug this into our formula, and we have negative 5 plus the square root of 5 squared minus 4 times 3 times 0. Enter. Divided by 6 equals 0. Let's subtract. Negative 5 minus the square root of 5 squared minus 4 times 3 times 0. Enter. Divided by 6 equals negative 1.67. These are your solutions. Okay, number 27. Now this one is missing. It has an A and it has a B. Even though it is 1, it's still a number. It is just missing a C again. So we are going to rewrite this. X squared minus x plus 0 equals 0. And we have this. Our B is a negative 1. So negative 1 plus the square root of negative 1 squared minus 4 times 1 times 0. Enter. Divided by 2 equals 1. Let's subtract. Negative 1 minus the square root of negative 1 squared minus 4 times 1 times 0. Enter. Divided by 2. X equals 0. These are your two solutions. Okay, we're going to jump all over to the next page, and we're going to look at some old things and remember how to do them. So we have the absolute value of x plus 2 equals 2.3. Now, remember, whatever is an absolute value could be positive or negative, right? So we are going to solve this twice and rewrite this as x plus 2 equals 2.3 and x plus 2 equals negative 2.3. And then we're going to solve this. Subtract 2 on both sides. X equals 0.3. Rewrite this equaling negative 2.3. Subtract 2 on both sides. x equals negative 4.3. These are your two solutions. Doesn't this seem easy now? We used to do this a long time ago in the beginning of the chapter, and now we're doing such big formulas, this feels like nothing, huh? Okay, 53. 5x minus 28, that's the absolute value of that, equals 49. We're going to rewrite this twice, equaling 49 and negative 49. And then we're going to solve it by adding 28 to both sides, and then dividing by 5, x equals 15.4. Rewrite this equation, 5x minus 28 equals negative 49. Add 28, 5x equals negative 21, divided by 5, x equals negative 4.2. These are your two solutions. Last one. Okay, we have x plus 7 squared equals 16. Take the square root of both of these to eliminate that squared. When we do this, we are left with the absolute value of x plus 7 equals 4. And we got 4 because the square root of 16 is an even 4. Now we're going to follow the same set of steps we just did. We're going to rewrite this. X plus 7 equals 4, and x plus 7 equals negative 4. Then we're going to subtract 7 from both sides. X equals negative 3. Solve our second equation. Minus 7 on both sides. X equals negative 11. These are our two solutions. Okay, nice work. You're doing amazing, and I'm so proud of you. Bye.